Okay, I'll show you the other product from fiber. So this is what we call the cinamide, the finished product. No? Actually secondary process. So the other one is the flattened abaca colored fiber o dyed. Alam niyo kung saan ginagamit to? Ito ay ginagawang yung kimono or sa mga flower arrangement. Ano pa? Scrapbook. Scrapbook cover. So other product from dried taxi ribbon is the table placemat. Or simply you can make it as, you can use it as a picture frame. Family picture. Then the other one is the dried taxi also, but they are rolled. Then the secondary product, the ropes. I have here a lot, at least 5 sizes of ropes. Small one, the next. Okay. Then, bigger and bigger. Then I have the last one. I call it as Popeye rope. Alam niyo ba kung saan ginagamit yan? Mga panggapos ng barko. They are used as anchor for the big ship or small. Okay, any question regarding the primary processing of copper making and abaca fiber extraction?
Any questions? Kasi you have a quiz on this. So better ask your questions right now.
Or yung iba, may come back here to interview me, pero may bayad na.
Ako,
Yes, ma'am.
those processes or steps that you have shown are the traditional ones.
Yes, ma'am.
Do we have the more modern?
The modern one on
Alternative.
fiber extraction are those spindle stripping machine.
So we have.
Yes, ma'am. And the other one, we have the motorized stripper. But usually the spindle can cut into a small one, then feed directly. So we cannot have the long fibers. Unlike the motorized, mahaba ang makukuha natin. Same as this process, but the motor is the one to pull them. You hold only the fiber. Tulad nung ganong forma.
What you showed are the primary processing, no? Can you give us an example for secondary processing for abaca and coconut?
Actually, these are all
So the products generated.
secondary products. And also this one. And these cinamay are secondary process or secondary product. On coconut, secondary products, the oil. After copra, then oil extraction will be done to collect the coconut oil. Okay? Yes, ma'am.
In the dehusking process, do we have a more modern way or there's no alternative?
Until now, we use the dehusking in a manual,
It's the only
And
one.
manual way.
in that kind
Yes,
of
ma'am. This dehusker.
procedure.
Different kinds of dehusker, but manually made. We have only the machine type of fiber and wire dust extraction on coconut husk. Separate the fibers and the coconut husk using in a media purposes.
You only use the top sheet of the abaca tree for
Yeah.
the abaca. What do you do with the remaining?
The balones,
Yes.
so use this as composting materials, as the primary and secondary product. But this, what we call it, the byproduct. The byproduct are the balones. So we can use this one as the part of these composting materials, or growing. You can use it in growing mushroom.
Any
No
more,
other use.
any more questions? No more questions? Kasi we're heading out na, no?
Yes,
To
rubber
see
tapping.
how rubber is
Yung
tapped.
attendance.
No more questions? If there are none, then let's move out to the yard.
Okay. So on my part, the last crop is the rubber tapping. No? So we go outside. Okay. Kilala niyo naman itong rubber. No? Gawin naman sa'yo. Pinapa-video ko para susunod hindi na ako magsasalita, papakita ko na sa ang dami kasi, no? Okay, so meron tayo ditong rubber tree. Ang rubber tree has a trifoliate, no? Tatluang dahon, where the Adidas was inspired. The logo of Adidas was inspired on that trifoliate form of leaf. And also the cat. Ito may Adidas shoes dito. So Adidas logos, and the latest is this three stripes. It was inspired in this kind of tapping cat. So rubber is the Hevea brasiliensis. No? Walang ibang pwedeng gawing goma, hindi lang yung para rubber na Hevea brasiliensis, scientific name. Okay, so age of rubber before tapping is from planting, at least we have to wait until 5 to 7 years. Or if you reach the size of the trunk, 20 inches circumference, no? Not diameter but circumference, yung bilog, then you can tap it now. So the right time of tapping is early in the morning. You know what? Kailangan natin mas maaga. Kasi early in the morning, mataas ang turgor pressure. Ayan, bukas na. So, ang pagkat natin ay tapping knife, may specially design. So, ito trabaho nito, i-scrape lang yung bone. Okay? So, that's it. So, when tapping, avoid hitting the cambium layer. Alam niyo yung trabaho ng cambium layer. So, kung sino man ang nakapag-markot na, so in marketing, we have to scrape the branch after removing the full bark, no? To avoid the bark regeneration. But in the case of the rubber, you don't have to hit the cambium para magkaroon tayo ng smooth bark regeneration. Kasi ang rubber, so we can tap the rubber within 7 years. No? 7 years continuous tapping every other day, not daily tapping. Para naman magkaroon siya ng pagkakataong makasipuli ng ibang nutrients. No? Every other day tapping. So within 7 years, one side, 7 years, continuous tapping. Then after 7 years, move to the other side. Same procedure for another 7 years to complete 28 years tapping in a single rubber trunk. So, pwede pang extend, depende sa kanyang yield. Kung still na nagbibigay pa siya ng tap o ng sap, ibig sabihin, pwede pang i-continuous yung tapping. Pero pag once na nag-defoliate na siya, hindi na siya nagbago ng dahon, wala na. So, stop na yung tapping natin. Okay? So, our primary product, the tapping is the sap or latex. So, this is the latex. So, in this form, this is the raw product. Then, we can make out of this latex